Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this short video I will show you how to set up Gmail SMT server step by step and connect it to Gmail so you can send bulk emails right from your Gmail box. This is perfect if you want better email deliverability and more control over your sending. Let's get started. So first of all, why you just need to use Gmail SMTP. First, just a quick note, SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. It is the standard way to send emails from one server to another. By using Gmail SMTP server, you are sending emails through Google's trusted servers, which keeps your emails out of spam folder. So first thing first, to use Gmail SMTP securely, you need to enable two-step verification on your Google account. So how you can do it, you just need to click on your profile icon, then log into your Gmail and go to your Google account, like click over that place, manage your Google account, and then after you will find out the security option. You just need to click over here security and then turn on your two-factor authentication. Just click over here and then here click to the turn on two-factor authentication, then provide your number over that place and then it will be enabled. This is the easiest way. Once you're done, the next layer keeps your account secure and allows you to create a special password for apps. Then we need to create app password. This is safer than using your main password. So here in the search icon, like you just need to search for app password here actually, and here you will get the options for add password. So I'll click over that place and then here you can see, let's again search it as password here app, and you will get the suggestion over that place. So here you just need to provide your app password, then you just need to select your mail as the app and other the device. So you can name it something like SMTP for Gmail. So before that, always you just need to enable your two-step verification. So without this you are not allowed to go further with this platform. So this is the important. Then you just need to click generate and copy the 16 character password that will appear. Keep this handy, you will use it in Gmail instead of your regular Gmail password. So now know your SMTP settings. So exactly what you will enter SMTP server, like let's search for Gmail, and here you will get this easiest way to send email campaign. So let's open this one, it will take a couple of minutes. So here you just need to install this one, like install, but won't work. Gmail require Chrome, so we need a Chrome account. So let's open a Chrome, and here we are going to search this one, and then you just need to install their extension on your Gmail. Just click to this one, and here just click to the add Chrome and click to the add extension. So I am trying my best to break down step by step process. I hope you love this video. So now here we just need to click on Gmail, and here you just need to click on sign up with Google. Just click over that place and select your account, and then click to the continue and select all this thing, and then click to the continue again, and here it will redirect you to this account creation. So here actually your account creation has been done. So click to the close window and skip the tour, and here you can see our guide already been started. So here I am going to click on this Gmail here. So here actually you can see that we get already a message. So I will go over here, log in through this one because I already have an account. The continue and same, it will redirect us to here, and here you can easily create your campaign. So let's reload. So it will have some problem. So click to the dashboard. So we cannot find any recent campaign. Check this. So previous campaign, this one. So now here you just need to provide your port address, username, password, and then add SMTP in Gmail. Now open Gmail in your Gmail, click the Gmail setting icon inside your Gmail compose window. So here whenever you will click to the compose, here you can find out the Gmail options. Do not leave the subject blank, so keep a subject anything, then click to the Gmail or you can add the Gmails from that place. So this way you can set it up for you. So finally, always do a quick test, send a test email to yourself. If it arrives in your inbox and not in spam, you are good to go, and that's it. Your Gmail SMTP server is ready with Gmail. If this helped, please like the video, subscribe, and drop your question in the comments. I will help you out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.